109, pretty good, nice. It's a Chinese New Year version too. LeBron 7, what's this, the shattered backboard? Foam posits? It's in rows, we've seen a kazillion. You should get that 20%. It's not too. Jordan 3 animal pack. That's a Jordan 34s. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, I'm kind of in my car because I'm at the Nike outlet where they actually trip on us filming. So, and there's actually a security guard in the parking lot. So yeah, I ain't trying to get yelled at before I even get in. So yeah, it's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are at another Nike outlet out in East LA. I believe this is called the East LA Community Center. I have no clue why. But yeah, man, let's go see if we got some deals, you guys. Let's go see if we got some deals. Well, this is new. I've never seen a taco guy here. That's kind of interesting. The fruit person, always there. Always there. Got a cool mirror, always here too. Let's go get these deals. Alright, it's actually pretty packed here, so might not get yelled at for filming. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Start with the 10 and a half. Oh wow, these are down to 109. Jordan 33s. Down to 109, pretty good, nice. It's a Chinese New Year version too. Pretty dope. These are too narrow. I tried these on a while back and they're too narrow, so not for me, but yeah, pretty dope. I like the gold. I like the gold accents going for 109 too. 109 and 20% off the clearance one. Everything else 20% off the clearance one. Got these Day of the Dead Nike Cortez. These are pretty dope. I'm a huge fan of these. Going for 80 bucks. 80 bucks, you do get 20% off, which is pretty cool. But oh man, they're actually pretty dope. But yeah, I'm gonna put that back for now. Size 10. These are. My focus messed up. Jordan 7. Going for way too much. These have been on sale everywhere. That's crazy. Got some Air Max 98s. Going for 100. That's not too bad. 80 bucks after the 20%. I was like, what are these? Why are these so cheap? These are the zips. Nobody wants the zips, right? I don't know. Does anybody like these? You guys let me know. Leather's actually pretty good though. I think I felt that with the women's a while back. Yeah, go for 60 bucks. Normally $1.50 then. I got some of the Wise Nods. Kobe 5 Wise Nods. Not the hugest fan of these. I like the shoe, but not the colorway. And going for retail, get that 20 off. Oh, why is this in a size 10? I guess it's the wrong place. But and the Jordan 1 Fearless lows. Got that React on the bottom. The hella fat laces. You can see how extra fat the laces are right there. Yeah, I guess you get 20% off. Going down to the size 9s. You got the LeBron 7. What's this? Shit, I forgot what colorway it is. Christmas colorway or something? Yeah, that's interesting. Not bad, not bad. I'm not a huge fan of this colorway. I do like the silhouette. I'm waiting for the Fairfax ones to come out. Can't believe they have one for my high school. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, I get 20% off of that one. 10 and a half in the 9 and a half area. But yeah, with the shattered backboard, foam posits. You go for like $230 though, man. Kind of price is $230. At least here you get 20% off at least. With the Jordan 7 red carpets. These have been at the outlets in rows. We've seen a kazillion of these. Still going for $200 though. Get that 20% off. And I got a bunch of these. I wonder if they'll go on sale. That'd be cool if they did. These are on sale at Finish Line for like $100. They got them for $1.30 here. You should get that 20%. It's not too shabby. They got these 312s. They don't have them in size 10 or 10 and a half though. I'm keeping an eye out on the 10s. There ain't nobody wants these. Look at these. Nobody wants them. Oh my God. Everybody's taking it back. Apparently. Jordan 3 animal pack. Yeah. Apparently nobody wants these either. The other pair. Oh, the Jordan 1 Fearless. Wow, we're in a separate area. There's another Jordan 1 Fearless. More Day of the Dead. More Fearless right there. Wow, they've got a lot of stuff, you guys. All going for retail. You do get that 20% off since it's 20% off the entire wall. Wow, look at this. Size 12, size 11 and a half. So many animal packs. Wow, nobody wants them. We got some Fearless ones. I've seen these quite a few times. These are size 11. Dang, 11 has a lot of stuff today. These are the ones that light up. For the guys who haven't seen my videos in the past, they do light up. It's all 3M, but they do crease like hell, so that's kind of why I returned mine. Size 13. Got the GPs. I guess these are the half glove, they call them. Because it only covers the front half. Apparently there's one that covers like the whole upper. 55 bucks, man. And on top they get the 20%. Size 12, that's the TBs. The Kyrie 5s, not bad. Go for retail though, man. That's crazy. At least you get that 20% off. Size 13, 14 is not much. Not much, you guys. They do have these. Size 13, they got the Alpha Dunks, go for 90 bucks. Not too shabby. They also got these Jordan 1s, but they are the zips. They're going for 50 bucks. 50 bucks, man. That's crazy. Leather's on point, but man, yeah, I'm not feeling that zipper on the front. The aisles are hella mediocre today. There's really nothing. They got these Renews. The Renews are super hard. They're not like the React. So if you get those, just know what you're getting yourself into. Try them on before you get them. Artist React Flyknit 2s. This is a hell of a good deal, you guys. This is a full-length React. It's got so comfortable compared to that Renew stuff. Way better materials and way better price. Another colorway of these, the Flyknit React 2s. One more colorway, and they got a red one as well. Not bad. I think this is the dopest sneaker in the aisle section, but yeah, let's go for regular price. Air Max Plus, man. Vapor Max Plus, my bad. Yeah, way too expensive. Some of you guys might like these, but I'm not that big of a fan. Pretty good discount though, because the foams are hella expensive. And these up-tempos, they've gone down in price a lot. I'm waiting for them to keep falling though. If they keep falling, I'll definitely cop. These are down 40 bucks. This is the black cement colorway of the KD12. And the Air Force Max 2s, I think it's the last sneaker we're gonna see here. I don't know, the aisle section here was very mediocre. There's really not much. There's a lot more sneakers, but not much heat, so I'm not even gonna waste my time showing them. We're in the women's section. These go for 100 bucks. You know, get that 20% discount. 80 bucks, $80 after 20% off. Not bad for the Vapor Max 2019s. Interesting colorway. I kind of like them. Well, there's a size 8.5. Just kind of walk around the women's section. Not that much heat in the women's section. 720. They got these in a bunch of different sizes. This is the 8.5, but they do have them in a bunch of different sizes. Get that 20% off. We just saw the guys' ones going for 90, and now the women's is like under 50. What the hell? It's like $45. That's crazy. Couple different colorways too, man. That's hella interesting how that happens. It's all based on stock, you guys. All based on stock. Whatever they got, they have too many, they put them on sale. Air Max Correlate. Oh my goodness, I have no clue what these are, but hella cheap, man. 20% off on top. What is that? $32? That's crazy. Got the Forrest Gump in the women's section. That's one hell of a deal. These normally go for 70. Not too bad. We have seen this like in every outlet. Element 55, this colorway specifically. This is a dope colorway of the Air Max 98, but it's not on sale. Not on sale. What's up with that? But really dope. I like that colorway. 97. I don't know why they have these going for retail. Better price, not necessarily a better colorway. Like an olive green. Not too shabby, $110, $50 off. And this continues to go down, you guys. It's been going down a lot. Tailwind's going down a lot too. The Air Max 200s, they got these in 2 different colorways. They've always been going down ever since they hit that. I guess my gift card, I do have a gift card, I was gonna spend it, but going back in the pocket. Back in the pocket, not much. Yeah, that's about it, you guys, that's about it. I do kind of need some sweats, but man, 40 bucks. They do have other sizes, so not a small. But 40 bucks seems kind of steep, no additional discounts. And these shorts as well, these fleece shorts. Most of their apparel seems to be a little high today. No additional discounts on much. This is not bad because you get the 45, but it is an additional 50% off. But these are thermals, man, or therma. I don't know. It's like they're not sweats. They're like a microfiber outside. I kind of like sweats. These are kind of like sweats, but they're like the same microfiber material, man. 25 bucks. You get that, or 45 bucks. You get that 50% off, so that's only like 22 something. It's a pretty solid deal, but dang, I'm gonna continue to look for my regular sweats. All right, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video, you guys. What'd you guys think about that trip? It was an interesting trip because I felt like the clearance section was pretty decent. They had a lot of heat, and I feel like every Nike outlet's been like that lately, where there's just a lot of heat, like a lot of brand new release sneakers. And I don't know if Nike's just releasing too many things, and everybody's like, oh, they're limited, and then they end up getting them, and then they return them because they can't resell them because there's no resale value. But for us Nike outlet shoppers, that's a good thing, you know, because I'm all about buying stuff that people return, because I buy stuff in the clearance section all the time. So interesting, because like their aisles had nothing. Their aisles really, it was mediocre or garbage or whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, go ahead and make sure you guys smash that like button. I'll even make that smash down. Those of you guys that are new, make sure you guys go ahead, press that subscribe button. Make sure you click on that notification bell, because I do drop a whole lot of videos. I think I have like 180 videos already, and I've only been doing this for a little over 6 months. Thank you all for supporting. Thank you all for watching all these videos and leaving comments and stuff. Don't forget about the giveaway, you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.